Okay, so I thought I'd demonstrate a bit of my Plan 9 workflow. And if you're new to Plan 9, it's basically a research operating system developed by Bell Labs, the same people who made Unix. And you can see it running here. And I'm a very typical Plan 9 user nowadays, I think. I use 9front, which is an actively developed fork of Plan 9. I use Acme, the text editor, and I access it from another machine via draw term, as you can see. But the nice thing about Plan 9 is how much it lends itself to a type of customization, or like the development of a very personal workflow. And I thought I would show you some of mine. And this sort of customization includes actually modifying the source code of the operating system, which is included with the operating system. So just as a small example, as you can see here on the screen, I have on the left here a few windows that are always open. This is just a statistics window. This is an error window, which doesn't show anything right now, but this is a window that shows the current windows. And this is actually a program included with Plan 9 called winwatch. So you can, if you right-click on one of these windows, it'll open that window. Okay, so it works very nice. And so, as I said, this is included with Plan 9. You can just open a real window and type. Now this doesn't work for some reason. Oh, there we go. You can type winwatch, and you'll get the same window. But so what I've opened now is the default winwatch, as it comes with 9front at least, probably the same. Maybe some changes have been done to 9front, but I'm not sure if winwatch is affected. But anyway, this is the default winwatch, and you can right-click something to open it. But as you can see, the winwatch window itself lingers on top of the other windows. And I guess for some people this doesn't really matter, but for my personal workflow, this would be really annoying. Let's say that I had this winwatch window here instead, and I was an Acme working on some project, and then I wanted to open like an RC shell. Let's see if it shows up. There we go. So let's say I'm in Acme and I want to open the shell. They'll leave the winwatch window on top of Acme, which can be really annoying, especially if you have some text file here that you want to read. So what I did was I basically found the source code of winwatch, which you can do very easily by just typing source winwatch. And that'll open the source code in the text editor using the plumbing system. And so I found the source code, and then I sort of navigated the source code and found the place where the right click is handled. And that turns out to be just a few lines up here in the unhide function. So, and the simplest thing really, I just added this piece of code here, which opens dev/w control, that's window control, and writes the word bottom to that file, which basically tells Rio, the window manager, to put the current window at the bottom of the stack. So super easy. I just added this, and then I ran make winwatch.install, which makes the winwatch program and installs it. So if you run this, it'll be copied to the bin directory for your processor type. And now, if I quit this new winwatch window, or this, and go back to my original one, which is actually the new version that I've compiled, you can see that if I press something here, the winwatch window actually moves automatically to the bottom of the stack. So this way I can have it on the side here all the time, and easily switch between windows without having it cover my text editor. And so this is just a small demonstration of how how much Plan 9 lends itself to this type of personalization by editing the source code. And, just the simple fact that the source code is included with the operating system makes this so much easier than on Unix, for example. So yeah, if you're interested in this type of content, subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. And thanks for watching.